My name is Idris Tamir, and today we have another unboxing video. In front of us we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. As you can see on the front, it's covered in plastic, so we'll go ahead and remove it. Cut through here. And then one here. Let's put back our tiny cutter. So at the front, we can see the product photo and the Galaxy Tab text that has like a watermark look to it. Here's the picture of tablet, the stylus, and the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite text. On the left side is another Galaxy Tab S6 Lite text. On the right side is the Samsung logo. On the top are some barcodes. We can see the model number, color, and the serial number and the other barcodes. At the bottom is the part of a pull tab, pretty much empty here. At the back side, we can see a more small text and both of the pull tabs, as well as a made in Vietnam text. Now let's proceed in removing the pull tabs. One more pull tab. Now let's open the top cover. It didn't lift fully because part of the pull tab is still intact. There you go, we removed it. We're gonna make the top cover as a prop on this side. And let's proceed with the rest of the box. So lifting up the tablet, it's very lightweight, but there's still some weight into it. Let's put it here at the bottom while we check the paperwork. At the back side of the paperwork, there's a SIM card tool. The part where you pull the paperwork is not the actual opening. It actually opens on this side, which we can see the USB-C charging cable in white color. Here's a closer look on that charging cable. Here's the paperwork, which is the quick start guide. It's very thin, so I assume there's not much to say on it. And that's the rest of the paperwork. So let's put back the quick start guide. Here's the stylus. It has this smooth finish and like a matte texture to it. Here's the button clicking sound. Here's the tip on how it looks like. That's about it for the rest of the box, but now when I move this one here, this is not attached to the box, so be careful with that. And we can see the cutout inside the box for the buttons. Now, as we usually do, we will return everything back and put it on the side. Now here's the tablet with the Samsung text in the middle and closed in this protective paper. On that part is the pull tab, again just for pulling and not for opening. The way to do it is to open on this side. Now let's get that tablet. Here's our first look on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. And basically the size of it compared to my hands. On the top we can see the antenna lines, shiny Samsung logo, sound by AKG, and another antenna line at the bottom. On the top left is the camera protected with plastic, as well as the rest of the tablet frame. All of the sides has a plastic film. This is very typical Samsung fashion. Here's the front of the tablet. As you can see, very reflective. But you can get the idea of the size of the bezel, as well as the location of the front camera. Now let's open this tablet. While the tablet is loading, we can check the stylus if it has a magnetic mechanism. Magnetism? So apparently on the left side it can be attached, but not as strong compared to the right side, as you can hear from the clicks. I am not sure if that side is the right position because the pen stylus is covering the volume button a little bit. Even if I tried here, it doesn't stick as much. And here's the front screen with the display open. When I press the start button, there's a slight delay, as well as pressing this small button here, there's a slight delay. Now that's been it for this unboxing. Thank you to my team for allowing me to do the unboxing and share it with you guys. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.